a national media superstar. You may have seen him on Fox and Friends on Friday morning, and wherever you turn, there he is, the finance guru, giving absolutely fantastic advice. There have been some discussions about the Trump tax plan, the Senate apparently voting yes on it, and there was some discussion I heard from different people this week saying what the actual top tax rate should be. So I wanted your opinion, Guru. What should the top tax rate be for Americans?
Well, I will tell you right now, King, it's simply too high as to where we stand now. Let me just run through an example here. If you look at our home state, the great state of New Jersey, the highest tax rate is just under 10%. So let's call it 10. The federal income tax rate is just under 40, but let's call it 40. So between those two income taxes, state and federal, you're at 50%. When you drop in some of the other taxes that fall into place here, King, you're at over 50%. So I really look at a situation where that is the tipping point. Between federal and state, when you're giving more than half of your money in income tax to the federal, or whether it's federal, state, and local, to me, it's too much. I personally believe, just my belief, that an income tax rate should never be higher than 33% on a federal level. It really shouldn't. It should never be more than a third under any circumstance. I just think that's plenty of money to give the government. And how about this? Almost half of Americans pay no income tax at all. So part of again, this is just my personal view. I believe everybody should actually have to pay something and that there shouldn't be any free ride whatsoever. I'm not saying they should pay a lot. Even if it's $1, everybody should have skin in the game. This whole thing of taxing the rich may be politically popular and, and a good soundbite, but it's just not right in my mind to punish success. When you do that, what's the incentive? I'll give you an example, King. When you look at property taxes, which, again, completely out of control in our state of New Jersey, but you go and you fix up your house and you make it beautiful and you do some additions and, whatever it is that you do, and then what's your reward? Your taxes go up. So you actually get punished for doing a good thing. And I think our tax system is just simply too punitive for those that are successful. It's like you've done something wrong. I don't agree with it.